Hamd, a simple developer, and today I'm excited to share with you everything you need to know about Next.js 14 in 2024. We'll explore its unique features, improvements, and how it compares to previous versions. Let's dive right in. Next.js has come a long way since its inception in 2024. It's more powerful than ever. With its focus on performance, developer experience, and SEO, Next.js 14 is a game changer for React developers. But the main differences between Next.js 13 and Next.js 14 are as follows. Next.js 13, it contains an app directory. That's an advanced version of page routing systems, incremental builder for JavaScript and TypeScript. TurboPack in Next.js 13 takes only 2 seconds in a startup. It has a new SNK wait function to get the data. There are various ways to optimize your font. In Next.js 13, these fonts are automatically optimized for better performance. The image in Next.js 13 can also be loaded faster. There are varying libraries shaped like Rosog that will allow you to create social media cards. There are also built-in features for TypeScript. This means that developers can now say goodbye to installing dependencies. Secure features in Next.js 13 will make your app more secure. Next.js 14 local server startup and code updates are faster. It's an app-to-C road. There's an improvement in local development performance because of pages and app routers. Their actions are also stable. You don't have to create API routes to create endpoints in the backend alongside your front-end code. Instead, you can directly call functions from React components. In Next.js 14, in one network round trip, mutating data, re-rendering the page, redirecting, and many other actions can be composed and reused. This fast static response and streaming dynamic content as well. Metadata has also improved. Both blocking and non-blocking metadata have been decoupled. There's also a preview for partial rendering. Using this feature, you can handle dynamic content. In summary, the transition from Next.js 13 to 14 brings about incremental improvements focusing on performance, stability, and better developer experience. The main difference between Next.js 13 and Next.js 14 is the addition of server actions and partial rendering. Unique features of Next.js 14. Next.js 14 introduced several unique features that enhance both the developer experience and the performance of applications. Here are some of the key features. TurboPack. This feature significantly speeds up local server startup and code refresh times. You can expect a 53% faster local server startup and a remarkable 94% speedier code update with fast refresh. Server action. This feature simplifies data mutations by allowing you to trigger server-side code securely with just a function defined in your React component. It reduces the number of network round trips needed for data mutations and page rendering. Here's an example. The partial pre-rendering. This feature, still in preview, provides a fast initial static response while streaming dynamic content based on your React suspense boundaries. It combines the performance of static sites with the dynamism of server-rendered apps. Metadata enhancements, metadata options like viewport, color scheme, and thematic color have been enhanced to improve the initial rendering experience and reduce layout shifts. These features, along with others, make Next.js 14 a significant update to the framework, bringing about improvements in performance, stability, and developer experience. Enhanced developer experience. Next.js 14 enhances the developer experience with features like partial pre-rendering and a new course called Next.js Learn. These tools make it easier than ever to build high-performance web applications. And if you're interested in learning more, we have a complete Next.js 14 course right here on our channel. Click on the link above to follow the course and enhance your Next.js skills. Performance is a key focus in Next.js 14. With improvements like TurboPack and partial pre-rendering, websites built with Next.js are faster and more responsive than ever. This means quicker load times and a smoother user experience, which is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. So benefits in Next. Next.js has always been a leader when it comes to SEO, with features like automatic sitemap generation and robots. Tech support. Next.js 14 makes it even easier to optimize your website for search engines. This can lead to increased visibility, more traffic, and ultimately more conversions. Developing with Next.js, it's important to follow best practices. This includes things like leveraging the built-in image component for optimized image loading and using the getStaticProps function for data fetching. These practices can help ensure your website is fast, reliable, and user-friendly. The JS community is vibrant and active, with developers around the world contributing to the project. This collaboration has led to many of the features and improvements in Next.js 14. It's a testament to the power of open source software and the innovative solutions it can produce. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, Next.js 14 is a powerful tool for any React developer. With its focus on performance, developer experience, and SEO, it's clear that Next.js is the future of web development. And remember, we're currently conducting a comprehensive Next.js 14 course right here on this channel, which you can benefit from. So why wait? Start using Next.js 14 today and join our course. That's all for today's presentation on Next.js 14. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to check out our complete Next.js 14 course by clicking on the link above. Thank you for watching and happy coding!